Tony Matterhorn recently had surgery, sending shockwaves through his fanbase. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the good news is, he's doing just fine. Yep, you heard that right. Despite the initial worry, Tony's surgery was a success, and he's on the road to recovery. Can we get a round of applause for that? In classic Tony Matterhorn fashion, he kept us guessing about the details, leaving us all curious cats wondering what exactly went down. But hey, as long as he's feeling better, right? And can we talk about that sassy shade he threw at those Dominican Republic trips for cosmetic procedures? Classic Tony humor. Never a dull moment with him. Now, onto the heartfelt part. Tony Matterhorn took to Instagram to express his gratitude to all his supporters and well-wishers. It's moments like these that remind us of the power of community and love. We're just glad to see him back on his feet and ready to take on the world again. But hey, before we wrap this up, let's throw it over to you, our fabulous viewers. What do you think about Tony Matterhorn's surgery? Are you relieved to hear he's doing well? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.